I spent a lot of time at Baruch. In 2015, I saw an opportunity to do more for my community, to become the leader of the greatest legislative body in the country, to better the lives of 19 million New Yorkers. The current political discourse seems to be that if we aren't in complete agreement on a particular issue, we can't work together. But I assure you, without collaborative dialogue, without civility, it does not matter how ambitious each of us are. We cannot deliver real change if we don't do it together. Affecting real change requires open dialogue. President Obama pointed out that our system doesn't work if you don't compromise on anything or if you compromise on everything. Instead, you must know what your core principles are and stay true to them. So in these polarizing times when civility seems like a lost art and social media wars are treated like the antidote to conflict or disagreement, I implore you to change the narrative. Instead of seeing disagreement as a declaration of war, what would happen if we instead said to ourselves, I'm going to work a little harder to convince people that my way is a good way. So engage in dialogue, share your knowledge, share your perspective. Stay true to your core values and focus on what people need, not what you want. Because as the great Mick Jagger said, you can't always get what you want, but if you try sometimes, you can get what you need.